Hi my friends and most welcome to Koon's Kitchen. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today either. We are here in Guatemala, which is a beautiful country, and I'm gonna take you a little tour of all the amazing things that you can eat here. So stay tuned and let's go. Today I'm taking you along on our trip to Guatemala to share 5 foods you absolutely have to try when you visit. So we're talking classic breakfast, incredible coffee, refreshing ceviche, an amazing steak, and some delicious seafood. And of course, I'll be showing you clips from the restaurants we went to and all the food that we loved. So let's get into it. First on the list is a classic Guatemalan breakfast. If you've never had one before, be prepared. It will definitely fill you up. You usually get eggs, mashed black beans, avocado, fried plantains. Simple, cozy, and so satisfying, and you get really full, and it has a lot of protein, which is good. You can find good breakfasts all over Guatemala, but one place you should definitely visit is San Martín. And when we went, I ordered a flat omelette with this amazing Florentine sauce. Jonathan had the classic breakfast and his was just as delicious. And if you have traveling with kids like we do, this is a huge bonus. Many of these restaurants are super family friendly. They had a great kids menu and even an exciting playground. Breakfast brings me right to number 2, which is coffee. Guatemala grows some of the best coffee in the world thanks to its mountains and incredible climate. Coffee plants just thrive here and you can really taste the difference. And my favorite spot to have a coffee is Café. It's like ampersand Café. Their cappuccinos are amazing. Jonathan always gets the white chocolate frost. It's way too sweet for me, but he loves it. And before you leave the country, maybe you can also grab some local beans to take home. We always do, and it's the best souvenir to bring back home. Now to number 3 is a combo, and it's ceviche and michelada. A michelada is a really unique beer drink, quite an acquired taste. So you're usually served the sauce first, which is tomato juice, lime, Worcestershire sauce, and you pour your beer into it. And you can order it with whatever beer you want. It sounds a little strange if you haven't tried it, but on a hot day, it's honestly so refreshing. Perfect pairing to this is a Guatemalan shrimp ceviche. It's very tomatoey and limey, super bright and super fresh. It's really different from Peruvian ceviche if you had that before. And we had a great one at El Capitán. I totally recommend this if you're going to the Pacific coast in Guatemala to stop here at this restaurant. I also had a really delicious pasta with seafood that I shared with Will. Very windy. Really good. If you're a steak lover, this is definitely one for you. You have to try some good steak in Guatemala. I love how it's served here. It's always with colorful sauces, fresh veggies, guacamole, and these amazing artisanal corn tortillas usually. And you should try here what's called puyazo and lomito. Those are the best cuts. And this trip, my favorite steak was at Maracuyá in Flores, Petén. And honestly, this food was incredible, but the place itself, it might be the prettiest place I've ever eaten, honestly. It's this lush green oasis, so peaceful and beautiful. If you're in Flores, you really have to visit this place. I was really surprised and happy to sit there by the water and enjoy a meal with our kids. Wow, it's like, it tastes like nuts and like a little bit of vanilla. And pineapple. Really good. Before I get into this last food, I want to show you a little bit more from our time in Petén. This is the jungle of Guatemala in the north. So we stayed at El Camino Real in El Remate, and it was so stunning. It's tucked right into the jungle with a beautiful pool and jacuzzi. And if you walk down these steep stairs, you find yourself in the thick of the jungle, and then suddenly there's a private beach. And they even had these cool igloo-style Mayan saunas. We had some delicious meals at the hotel, and this brings us to my number 5 point, which is fish and seafood. Where we were in Lake Petén Itza, you find the fresh lake fish, like the dish you're seeing here from a local restaurant. And this fish is blanco, what they call, and Jonathan was also very excited that he actually caught one of these fishes. And our last night, Jonathan and I had a date where we tried a robalo, which is snook in English, a robalo carpaccio, and a fresh tuna tataki salad. Everything was delicious and the place is absolutely beautiful.
It's like salty grapefruit. Okay.
Also, I want to mention a dish we didn't have on this trip, but that you absolutely need to try if you visit the Rio Dulce area. It's called Tapado, and it's a rich coconut seafood soup or kind of stew filled with fish, shrimp, crab, and sometimes plantains. This country has so many delicious things to try, and this is really just a small taste of it. If you've been to Guatemala, let me know your favorite dishes in the comments if I missed something. And if you haven't yet, add this to your travel list. I could go on and on about how beautiful this country is and how much nature you can see here, but maybe I'll have to make a video of this too. But at least you know some of the food, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. We will start cooking a little more because now my kitchen is finally done, so I can show it to you soon.